The core of education is the relationship between the teacher and the student, and the extent to which that relationship nurtures the longing of the child to matter in the world, and the longing of the teacher to nurture and fulfill that desire. That was a quote by Timothy Shriver and Jennifer Buffet. Let me start this speech of mine by asking you all some questions. Is getting along with your teacher weird? Do you agree that teachers should be friends with their students? You might be asking yourselves right now, can we be friends with our teachers? Where do we create boundaries? Given this opportunity to me to use this platform as a bridge to share lessons and reasons why befriending with our educators can make a big impact in our lives as a student. Do you think teachers should be friends with their students? Well, they become friendlier with you, which makes communication easier and improves their comprehension of their students. It may even make learning more enjoyable. It is only wrong if they take their friendship too far. When a teacher attempts to be friends with their students, it is okay. Besides, that friendship may lead to increasing of our enjoyment of the class and enhances our ability to learn. So, why work on good relationship with our teachers? A good relationship with our teachers may help us in the future. We may need teachers' written recommendation to apply to college or even a job after high school. And if you're thinking about going into a career in English, who better to ask about that field than your English teacher, right? We all know that our teacher is our second parent. There are a lot of students that are having problems inside their households, with their friends, with their families, with their relatives, even with themselves. They have no one to turn to but their teachers. Research showed that positive teacher-student relationship contributes to adaptive behaviors. Teacher care is regarded as a foundation to positive teacher-student relationship by many researchers. Teacher care enables learners to feel accepted, important, respected, and never ignored. Thus, they are more likely to express their thoughts actively and seek improvement in their learning. I'm going to end this speech by sharing the lessons I've learned from these former advisors of mine. When I was in 5th grade, I had this amazing advisor who taught me that enjoying your life is important. It is not a bad thing. It means collecting memories that you will treasure forever. 6th grade came, I had this wonderful advisor who taught me that it is better late than never. For me, it means you can always try and try and try again. You tripped? It's okay. Stand up and run again. It's a cliche one, but never give up. Lastly, 8th grade came, I had this inspiring advisor who made me treasure this wisdom that says, when you learn, teach. When you get, give. Again, it's cliche one, but sharing is caring. And this former advisor of mine once said, correct me if I'm wrong. Well, I think that really suits the wisdom, because if you really care for people and you want to share what you know with them, you will correct that person if they misinterpreted something, right? Those lessons are the reason why I'm standing here in front of you. Those people aren't only educators. They became my second parents. They somehow became a constant. They are my friends. This is your speaker, Althea F. Villanueva, reminding all of you that befriending with our educators is okay. Besides, it's nice to have a friend